Hello everyone, welcome to TechNOS, and today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube channel art or banner for your channel. So what is a YouTube banner? It's this thing right over here. So what you have to do is go to this link. The link will be in the description. So you go here and right click this image, copy image, and go to your Photoshop, File, New. Make sure width is 2560 and height is 1440. And this is on pixels and this is on transparent. Click OK. It's gonna create your new image. Press Ctrl+V and your template is going to be right over here. Now this is the place where this is the safe area where everything of your banner should go. So what you have to do is select rectangle tool, select the color to black, and make a rectangle until here, and draw another rectangle like this. Once you have done that, what you have to do is go to Google Images and type in background. So I want a purple background, so I will type purple background. So here are some examples. You can add more details if you want to. So I'm gonna add purple galaxy background. I'm gonna choose this one. Actually, let's just type purple grunge background and then 256014440. Yeah, this one. I wanted this one. So I'm gonna let it load, and once it's loaded, I'm gonna put this in my Photoshop. So now that it's loaded, right click the image and copy image. Go to your Photoshop and press Ctrl+V. What? Why is this black and white? So if this is black and white, go to File, New, create another image, paste it here, and then you want to go to this website, copy image, paste the image right over here, then make this one go above, then make the rectangles. Let's make them a little bit big. Now we gotta take this layer, the template layer, and drag it down the shapes. Then you wanna take the background layer and do this above the thing. So now you have created your basic template. Now what you have to do is click right over here and type in your channel name. Select it and make it white. Let's just free transform it. Make sure you hold shift while you're free transforming. Okay, so I'm done. Now what you have to do is right click its layer, go to blending options, go to drop shadow, make the distance to 1, spread to 33, and the size to 33. Now let's go to gradient overlay and select the gradient like this one should be like, let's do dark purple, and the upper layer should be like little bit of light purple, like this one, kind of pink type. So we have created this. Let's just adjust it a little bit more. So once you have done that, all you have to do, if you have social media, just click right over here and type at whatever your social media is. For me, mine is this one. For Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, make sure to follow them. Let's put right over here, go to its blending options, drop shadow, the same settings, 133, 33. Now you want to do, let's go to gradient overlay and keep it as it is and type 20 right over here. Boom, so it created really great effect right over here. I like it. Actually, did it added the drop shadow? Yep, I've added the size to 3. Let's make it 33. Yep, there we go. Now go to Google Images and type in Twitter white PNG. You want to select this one. Even if it's not PNG, just select it because it's white. And then Control plus V. Click this. Move the background. Free transform it. Put it right over here. And leave the space for other ones because my social media has same link as on every platform. So let's add the not in a shadow. Let's add drop shadow. Same settings, 133, 33. Gradient overlay, same. Just make it 20. Opacity. Hit OK. Boom. How is this? This looks beautiful. So do this, and then type in Instagram white PNG. Click this one. Let it load. Actually, just save it. For me, I have already saved it. So open that image. Where is it? Here it is. For me, it's black, so let's make it white. So now that it's white, drag it into your thumbnail. Free transform. And put it under just it. Okay, so now that it's done that, let's go to blending options, drop shadow, same settings every time. You want to make sure you do it because it makes the photo look very great. Opacity to 20, done, boom, and do the same thing for Facebook. If you have Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, you can do Instagram or Snapchat or whatever you want to do. For me, I have Facebook account, Facebook page, so let's do that. Oops. Put that away. Let's do this. Let's do that. Boom. And then apply the same blending options to this one too. And you have your own custom. Actually, let's go to not this one, this one. Let's select this, move it a little bit like this, and there you go. Actually, again, let's just retransform it. There you go. You have your very own custom banner. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you made a really good banner for your channel. Hit that subscribe button, click that like button, turn on notifications, and as always, peace out.